How to go viral on Facebook Reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can make Facebook Reel viral so that you can get thousands and even millions of views. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first tip is to use hook in your Reels. Your first to second decides everything. So you have to start with a bold hook. You can ask a question, so something shocking, or tease what's coming. Using hook is one of the important to make your reel viral. Second is to use trending musics and sounds. Use trending sounds. Facebook pushes reels with popular audio. So for that, head over to the Reels tab and check what's trending on the reel so that you could use those trending viral audio on your reels as well. The third option is to use smart or the trending hashtag. You have to use at least 3 to 5 hashtag to match your video with the trending tags like hashtag Facebook Reels, hashtag FB Reels, hashtag viral Reels, etc. And the fourth approach is to make it short, loopable, and engaging. Short reels with smooth loops perform better, so you could also add captions to keep viewer watching till the end if you want to make your reel go viral. And for that, you have to be consistent. You have to daily post 1 to 2 reels, and this algorithm favors consistent creators. So the reels that get good engagement in the first hour are shown to more people. And also you have to post at a peak time whenever your people are active. So that's how you can go viral with your Facebook Reels, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.